Hey, this is Mr. Wyrick, just putting together a review video real quick. Samantha works at the coffee shop. She works 4 hours a day. 1 week she takes 3 days off. Show how much she works across 2 weeks using a graph or table. I'm just gonna do the graph real quick. You can see it comes up, it levels off, it goes up. I'm going total hours on this one. What happens to the graph or table during the time that she has off? It levels off. It does not increase. It's just important to remember that there's some information here that can't be displayed in an equation, so you have to kind of show it like this. Why is using an equation not the best way to represent this problem? It doesn't show the days off. So it's really important to remember that you need to make sure that you show that we have those days off on there. Two trains are moving toward each other at 60 miles an hour. They're both going towards Chicago. Again, we went over this in class. We're talking about one that has 100 miles, one that has 70 miles. So there's one here, he's got 100 miles to go. In 1 hour, he goes 60 miles, so that's gonna be 1 hour. And then there's 40 miles left, so there's 40 more minutes. On the other side, we go 60 miles, and we got 10 miles left to go, so that's 1 hour and 10 minutes. So again, it's like, are they gonna get there at the same time? Probably not. If they leave at staggered times, there might be a chance that they can do that, but they're probably not gonna get there at the same time. You have $50 on your lunch account. Lunch costs $2.75 each day. Could you find when you would run out of money? How would you represent that? Again, you can show the table, you can show a graph, you can divide this out. It came to the 18th day, and on the 18th day, you had 50 cents remaining. So it didn't come out even, but that's okay. It's still good as far as what we're doing, what we're taking care of. Number 4, the push-ups. Again, the first day is 10, the second day is 10, the third day is 10, and we keep adding and adding through that whole first week, which gets us to 70. Then we're adding 20 more every day, so it goes to 90, 110, and it finishes with 210 push-ups. Again, an equation would have to cover both of those separate weeks, so it doesn't really match up that well. It's not really what you want to do. On number 5, talking about the business, we had a graph of this in different classes. I finally found about the best graph, and that was 100,000 here in profit on the plus side, and then you'd have your money that you have to pay your employees, you'd have your products expiring, and then you'd have your stock in the shelves, stuff like that, to where you'd come up still with like the 34,600, I think it was, money that they are making profit eventually. Hopefully this will get you some reminders of how to get this stuff done, and good luck on the test.